On Valentine's Day this year, we redefined the celebration with our inaugural Sustainable Fleur and Scent Workshop, an event that transformed the traditional observance into an unforgettable, creative journey for couples. Imagine stepping into a space where, instead of the expected dinner date, you and your partner embark on a hands-on adventure, crafting sustainable flower bouquets that are not just visually stunning, but also serve as personalized room aromatherapy diffusers, all while infused with your chosen scent. The magic didn't end there. Each couple poured their hearts into personal love letters, adding an intimate layer to their aromatic creations. The workshop was more than an activity. It was a portal to expressing heartfelt emotions in a tangible, memorable way. As the evening unfolded, participants were treated to a lavish dinner banquet, basking in the joy of shared experiences and deep conversations. In the fast-paced rhythm of Singapore, finding moments of genuine connection can be rare, making the laughter and smiles shared during our event even more precious.